The words that you hear all the time are can easily become the words that then define you. That is like the number one thing that bothers me. It kind of feels limiting, and I feel like it's already setting her up to just be something that people look at versus recognizing like her brain.
No, I don't have a problem with it at all. No, because I mean it's true. So
Because even gonna think that her value is based on her cuteness. So if one day, God forbid, something happens to her and her cuteness level decreases, I don't want her to ever say, I'm no longer valued. I want my daughter to be more than just like, oh, she's cute, or, she's beautiful. Instead, I want her to say, damn, I was cute before, but I'm still mad curious. I'm still mad creative. I'm still gonna kill it. I'm still gonna conquer the world.
no, I mean that's kind of why I add multiple layers and levels to the affirmations. There's some days where I don't necessarily call her beautiful. I'll only call her smart. I'll call her intelligent. I'll say she has good listening skills. I emphasize on the overall person, overall picture.
I want her to have that self empowerment, and the only way you can do that is with the words and the words that you tell yourself, and the words that you tell yourself are typically a reflection of the words that you hear.
You have to pick your poison to a degree, right? We're to grow up and be a little cocky, right? I would take her being cocky over her being self-conscious.
She's more than that. She talks, she reads, she builds stuff. She's more than just how she looks. So that definitely gets on my nerves.
Would I rather have a girl who's cocky but self-confident and self-aware and feels very comfortable in her own skin? Or I'd rather have somebody who, looking at other people, thinking that she's not valued or something like that. So pick your poison. I'll take the other one.